Today we are going to show you how to install our new Maintenance Advantage Easy Door Filter. Start by removing the bottom access panel and shedding off the angle stop valve. Next, locate, remove, and discard the filter access panel under the front of the cooler. Set aside the screws as you will need them later. Now, locate the water inlet supply line. Disconnect and discard the barrel coupling. This is where the new filter will be installed. It is much easier to remove the filter prior to installing the filter housing to the unit. Next, take the inlet line from the angle stop and attach it to the inlet side of the filter cap. Then attach the line from the water cooler to the outlet side of the filter cap, making sure these lines are firmly in place.
Once the supply connections are made, place the water supply lines up through the provided space. Then align the filter housing with the existing holes and attach using the previously removed screws. Using the universal tool or Allen key wrench, open the filter door. Install the filter into the filter cap. Close the door and lock.
You may now turn on your angle stop valve and check for leaks. We recommend running water through the filter for 10 minutes prior to use.
To change out an existing filter, simply open the filter access door, unscrew the used filter, and discard. Then install the new filter and secure the door. For any further questions, contact Murdock Manufacturing.